up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a closet declutter because it is officially spring, and although I'm not really ready to switch all of my winter stuff for my spring and summer stuff just yet, I felt like it would be a good idea to declutter some of the spring stuff before I put it back into my closet and just get rid of some things that I know I'm not going to need. I have a lot of things that I haven't worn for a very long time, and I know I'm not going to wear them at all this year either, so I feel like now is a good time to declutter it. I also kind of feel like I'm just blocking my blessings by holding on to stuff I don't need or don't use. And most importantly, when I move out of this house, I don't want to move a bunch of stuff that I'm not gonna wear. So let's pull everything out and see what we have. So most of my spring stuff is in this little crawl space, storage space right here, in a bunch of different IKEA bags. So I'm gonna pull everything out and go through each bag one by one. This one is mostly dresses, and I am probably gonna keep most of it, but there's some that are definitely gonna go. So this stuff I know I'm going to keep, but I know I'm not going to wear it for the next like 6 to 8 weeks. So I'm just going to put everything that I am going to keep back in this bag. This one is more dresses and some rompers. Not too sure how much of this I'll actually be keeping. one looks like it was probably the last one that I packed at the very end because I clearly just gave up and wanted everything to be put away. So there's a mixture of everything in here. There's some tops, some dresses, bathing suits, shorts, like there's any and everything in here. So I feel like a good portion of this is gonna go. Here's a pile of things to either donate, give away, or sell. It's not very big. I kind of expected that just because I only bought to this house what I felt like I was going to wear, and a lot of my stuff is still in storage, so I need to do this entire process with everything that I have in storage, and that's where probably the majority of the decluttering is going to happen. But also over here in this gray bin is some like more fall and winter stuff that I am going to either sell, donate, or give away. And here are the bags that need to be repacked with pretty much all of this stuff, or the majority of this stuff for the most part. Some of it I know I could use now and for the next couple weeks, so I'm just gonna take it out and leave it out. And then I'm gonna try to organize these so that it's like one for tops, one for dresses, one for whatever else, and just keep them at the front of this little storage closet so that I can get them easily when it's time to actually switch over all of the spring summer stuff for the fall and winter stuff. I feel like it's way better to declutter the season that you're going into versus decluttering the season that you're leaving. So for instance, I'm decluttering spring and summer clothing, and we are just now getting into spring, and I feel like that is a more effective way of doing it versus decluttering winter stuff right now when I might actually want to wear it next winter, and I would just hold on to it, and when winter rolls around I'll pull it out and see if it's something that I actually want to make use of. This is just the try on pile over here. I kept a lot of it. I think I got rid of maybe like 4 or 5 items from that pile. That's also another reason why I feel like decluttering for the season that you're going into is better, just because a lot of these things I wasn't sure if they would fit me or not, and they actually did. So I am pretty much all done. The stuff that's still left on the bed is pretty much just stuff that I can use right now. So a bunch of t-shirts and a bunch of lighter weight jackets that I know I'll need in the next couple weeks. Maybe not this week, but in a few weeks it'll be useful. And then down here we have the 3 bags packed back up. This first one over here is more casual daytime dresses. The one in the middle is more not fancy, but more like dressy dresses, stuff with prints and patterns on them that I would wear for like a special occasion if there are any. This last one over here is stuff that I know I'm not going to need for a while. So there are a lot of denim shorts, sweat shorts, and the bathing suits are on the bottom of that as well. So I'm just gonna close these up and put them back, and that'll be it.